Hi everyone, and welcome back to our October Wellness Challenge. We're in week 2, so congratulations on letting time pass by and sticking with your wellness goals. So this week, our licensed mental health counselor, Jen Evans, talked about the solution ecosystem. And this is all about community building, celebrating your wins, sharing them with others. And as a reminder, I am Emma, I'm a wellness coach, and I'm here with you every Wednesday talking about health and wellness and helping you reach your goals. So this week we're doing a community mapping worksheet. And this is all about understanding your solutions and taking note of them. It can be easy in life to let life keep happening and kind of not take a moment to pause and think, wow, I solved this by doing XYZ. And so by bringing to light our solutions, we can pull them in our times of stress and in our times of, oh my gosh, what do I do right now? I feel like I don't know how to continue to stick to my goal, or I feel like I'm having trouble understanding the best solution to this problem I'm having. And so when we keep note of our strengths, keep note of our solutions, then we can pull from these and build upon them in our health and wellness journey. So take a look at the worksheet on the screen. You can take a screenshot of this or pause the video, write the questions down in your journal, whatever works best for you. And then once you've gone through some of this, you'll want to find a way to print it out. So you'll find this image in the description as well. When you print this out, you can put it up on your wall in a place where you go frequently. Maybe this is where you brush your teeth or where you journal or where you do work. And whenever you have a solution that you come up with, you'll jot it down. And by the end of the month, you'll have a worksheet full of, oh wait, I did this and I did that and this really worked for me. So this will help you continue on your wellness journey and be little reminders on the way that you got this. So at the end of this video, jot down a few that you can think of and leave them in the comments. I'm excited to hear what solutions you've come up with. And as we build this wellness community, you're also helping others when you comment. So thank you so much for joining us on this Workshop Wednesday. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm always looking. And if you'd like to book a coaching session with me, I have a free 15-minute consultation where we can see if coaching is a good fit for you. That is also linked down below. So thanks for joining us and happy October.